got a stain on my shirt. All right, guys. Right behind me is the $500 project car. Let me just get right to it. Montage. Right here is the $500 project car. I got this thing for $500. Can you believe that? It's pretty insane. I'm pretty excited about it because I get to make car content again. Woo! So that's really dope. It's a 1998 Honda Civic sedan. It has a whole ton of modifications you can do with it and have fun with it. I'm really excited for this. So I got it for $500. A couple things that are wrong with it. The battery light is on, but I got a new battery, so the charging system, something's going on with that maybe. I had to check on it. There is a check engine light. I had to see what that check engine light is specifically. Before I turned on the car, there was a disconnector that was unplugged and it was running rough. But I connected it and it's still running rough. So there is something wrong with the engine where it's running rough on idle. Its driving is not too bad, but something's going on. It's either having a misfire that's coming in and out, but the previous owner had told me that he was told that it was the compression, the rings were possibly going out. So the compression was low. How true is that? I'm not too sure. I had to break it down to see what's going on with that. But that's not where we're gonna start off, because if that is it, we will have to take out the engine, redo the rings and put it back together and get it going. I'm hoping that's not it. But I got it for $500 with 131,000 miles. Can you believe that? 131,000 miles. That is freaking low. That is really low. I'm very excited. It's not too beat up. It is just worn from daily usage. It was repainted silver. It's originally factory green, like a green. Let me show you guys around the car a little bit. So here it is. First and foremost, you guys see the lights. The lights are really yellow. They're not that great. We got a couple dents here and there. The wheels are like 18s. Damage on the bumper right there. No major dings on the doors. See that on the fenders is mainly that one, and then the rear bumper. Crack on the windshield, easy fix, obviously. The tint has got to go. The inside is this like brown tannish kind of color. This door doesn't open from the outside. So we need to fix that up, but here it is. It's not too bad. We got some JDM shit in here still. Look, this is pretty freaking clean actually. We got the cassette player down there, bro. That's JDM. It is automatic. I know. The headliner needs to be restored. We'll probably restore that with a suede. Something cool, you know, Starlight maybe. I don't know. Under the hood, it's pretty dirty. Needs to get good cleaning. Other than that, we have to see what is wrong with the engine. Let's turn it on real quick so you guys can hear and see it. There's a spider web over there. Starts up pretty good actually. Look. Woo! Real quick and easy. Like I said, we got the check engine light. So you see how it's losing, it loses a little bit of power. The idle is kind of, it's going up and down. It's going from 2,000, 17,000 to 1,000, and it's going down. So before we do anything else, we got to figure out what is going on and why it's doing that. Get the car nice up and running good, and then we will go and start cleaning it all around. So let's figure that out first. It has a check engine light, so let's get our scanner. Oh shit! To charge enough to where I think it should have enough. This is Icon from Harbor Freight. Let's just see what it tells us right now. This is actually really good. It's really well worth the price what I got it for. Put that bad boy right there. Look at that. Okay, hold on. It's not doing what I wanted to do. There we go. Here's Icon Diagnostics. Generic OBD and smoke. We got all these codes. Random multiple cylinder misfire 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we got to figure out why these is going on. Can you start it up for us?
Yeah.
I want to hear it.
He had a friend at work that was apparently friends with my granddad. He was friends with somebody that was friends with my granddad, and my granddad told this guy that my dad wanted to get a Corvette, and he told this guy, because he was selling a Corvette, he comes up to my dad at work and says, "Hey man, I hear you're looking to buy a Corvette." He's like, "I want to, but I'm not looking for one." He's like, "I'll make you a deal of a lifetime." $6,500 bucks. It wasn't running right, and the passenger window wouldn't roll up. We jiggled a wire, the passenger window rolled up, and then that's airflow sensor.
Damn.
150 bucks to fix it. We're like, all right, cool.
All right, so I got a lot to figure out with this Honda real quick. I ran the codes, looked up some shit, getting back the distributor or the wires. I checked out a little bit. I'll have to go more in depth, but I'm thinking it's the wires or the distributor that's making it run rough. It's not really much more of a compression thing. So it happens pretty common to the people, and that's where it leads up to, the distributor or the wires. Spark plugs rarely, but we're gonna check those out. I just don't have many tools right now. I have to get all my tools to get those out. But other than that, you guys, we are having our grand opening this week, so I'm gonna show what goes on. So we're gonna get to it. I don't know, let's just grand opening. Yay! Today is prep day. We're getting prepped and ready for the grand opening tomorrow. Currently we got this Camaro sitting here where Julian's gonna do racing stripes on it. He's not here at the moment, but the shop, actually look at the shop. We painted it black. We hung up the lights. I know that was in the last video, but we painted it black. It is now black. It looks great, better than the white walls that it had. But it's looking good right now. We're just prepping. We got the tint shelves made. We got this, we're painting the, what is this for the wrap? This for the wrap, the roof, the racks. You guys will see once we get all that set up. At the moment we're painting it. We got the shelving. I got my new toolbox. So let's just get a move on for the day. This is where our racks are at. Good. Painted. Alright. Jewel box. Cool. Here's the other one. We painted it as well. We still gotta hang it up, but it's gonna get hung up tomorrow. So I'm cool with that. For right now, I'm doing this dope ass. You guys are gonna wanna see it. Just wait and see. Why is that? Just wait and see. It's gonna look good. Check that shit out. It's like natty. It look natty. It look dope. It look dope. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, for now we are closing up shop. We're dipping out for the day. We got everything that needed to be done so far, and we'll be back in the morning to finish off the rest. We open for business. What's up, dude?
It's good to see you.
What's going on?
Yeah, better come check the shop out, dude.
Yeah,
Saw the
man.
advertisement, you know?
What is that, 2x4?
Yeah.
Nice.
You said it got side? Nope. Just hitting the cross.
So I'll put me in the front so I can just be like this.
No, get stuck.
Shit, died. Oh, it died.
No way!
Yeah, it died. And you know it wasn't starting.
We'll let this guy park in here.
Well, yeah, you don't want to mess up your.
If you can put the.
There you go. Oh shit! Yeah, man, what's going on here? Oh, there we go. We're good. There's no wood on this side. No. Can you go?
Hold on.
Are you trying to go forward now?
Yeah.
No way!
Alright, ready, go.
Push it. Oh, don't go too forward. Oh! Yeah, there we go.
That cross.
Yeah, that's it has a plate underneath the transmission.
For that reason, right?
And it catches every
I'll send
time.
you an invoice for the.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, you do
I
concrete.
do concrete.
Yeah, you do concrete. You can do it.
Yeah, my brother.
Not bad.
You got so much money doing that.
Hey, yo, see the shit with the butterfly door. Stuck as I had it. Like me.
Yeah, like we could find it if the car is here.
But you think?
All right, you guys, that was a surprise for y'all. I sold the S2000
About that?
and I got that.
Thanks.
That's good.
We need the pen.
Oh, that's a mini fridge?
Japanese drinks.
What?
Oi.
Oh,
Apple drink.
what are you talking about?
I don't know how long this shit's probably been there.
Damn, let me see that. What is that? This came with the car?
Also, that came
This is apple juice.
Yeah, it's from Japan. Look, even coffee.
This is apple juice. That says apple juice.
And then coffee.
Oh shit.
And then apple drink.
Oh, that's the apple juice.
I dare someone to drink this shit right now.
Hey, who wants to drink this?
This shit, I don't know how long this probably been inside the car. Probably.
Apple juice.
Apple
That's
juice
straight from Japan.
Dude, he went to Japan like 2 years ago.
No, this came with the car.
They came with the car, so
Oh,
this is
you don't
probably
even
from
know how
like,
long it's been there.
yeah.
1990 something because the car's 89, so. You should put that in a raffle. You're like, hey, if you drink this, you win the fucking.
You win the ticket.
You get to meet God.
You win the ticket to meet God.
Yeah, I don't know how long it's been in there for.
Yeah, that's crazy. Hey, that's cool. I didn't know I had that.
And then
Ooh, look at this bad boy right here. The Polka.
hey, can't beat my meat, dog.
I'm about to get one of those.
Oh.
Bye. Alright, Touchy. Trying to hit the Mosky. Ethan's trying to get some hoes too. I mean, shit.
Okay.
Ain't nobody getting hoes. He's ready for middle school.
What? Him.
Gotta get my fit.
No, these are hoes.
No.
For me though, mainly. Welcome to, you know,
Oh, I'm good.
Eats.
All right.
No, sure.
Thank you.
I want something with chicken.
we got a little bit of lumpia here.
You didn't get one, kid? I'm about to fix this rock chip real quick. There you go, bro. Alright then. Yeah.
Let me get you. You got the money, right?
Yeah, I got you. I came out clean. Alright guys, I forgot to film the outro for the grand opening. So anyway, thank you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.